Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make beef egg rolls. First, gather your ingredients, including 1 pound of ground beef, shredded cabbage, carrots, and egg roll wrappers. Having everything prepped makes the process smooth and enjoyable. You'll also need some soy sauce, ginger, and garlic to build that authentic flavor profile. Make sure your cooking oil is suitable for deep frying, like vegetable or canola oil, for the best results. Now, let's create that irresistible filling. Start by browning 1 pound of ground beef in a large skillet, breaking it up as it cooks. Once it's fully cooked, drain any excess fat. Next, add your shredded cabbage, carrots, and other vegetables to the pan, sautéing them until they are tender crisp. Finally, combine the beef and vegetables, stirring in soy sauce, ginger, and garlic to infuse every bite with amazing flavor. With your filling ready, it's time to roll. Lay an egg roll wrapper flat, placing about 2 tablespoons of filling slightly off-center. Fold the bottom corner over the filling, then fold in the sides, and roll it up tightly, sealing the final corner with a little water. Heat about 3 inches of oil in a deep pot to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully fry the egg rolls in batches for about 3 to 5 minutes, until they are beautifully golden brown and crispy. Once your egg rolls are fried to perfection, carefully remove them from the oil and place them on a wire rack lined with paper towels to drain any excess oil. This ensures they stay wonderfully crispy. Serve these hot, homemade beef egg rolls immediately with your favorite dipping sauces, like sweet and sour or duck sauce, for an unforgettable appetizer or meal. They are truly delicious. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.